Hey there, welcome back to the channel. I'm glad you're here. Today, we're going to explore the word gabbling in depth. First, the definition. Gabbling means speaking rapidly and unintelligibly, often confusing the listener. Think of it simply as someone talking so fast it's hard to catch the meaning. Now let's talk about where this word comes from. Origin stories can be fascinating. Gabbling traces back to the late 16th century related to gab, meaning talk or chatter. Over time, it's been used by English speakers describing rapid or foolish speech. The word has carried through history and still shows up today in surprising ways. So, how do you use gabbling in everyday language? Let's go through some examples. Correct example 1. She was gabbling so fast during her presentation that no one could understand her point. Correct example 2. He started gabbling nervously when asked about the missing documents. And just for fun, here's a playful wrong example. I tried to gabbling, but it didn't go well. See how context makes a big difference? Using gabbling correctly helps your meaning come across clearly, while using it wrong can sound confusing or just funny. Quick recap. Gabbling means speaking rapidly and unintelligibly, often confusing the listener. It comes from the late 16th century related to gab, and you can use it in sentences like the ones we shared. Now I'd love to hear from you. Try writing your own sentence with gabbling down in the comments. Get creative. And if you found this helpful, make sure to hit that subscribe button and join us for more word deep dives every day.